Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Alda. As an English teacher, first of all, let me introduce our team. I am Rahmatusya Wardani, usually called Rahma, and my friend.
I am Angan Diti Sucaksono. You can call me Angan.
And me, Rizky Ramadhani. You can call me Rizky.
Here, we will present our mid-semester project with title Tips and Tricks to Find Fun Ways to Learn. Point 1. What is fun learning? Fun learning is a holistic approach to education with the goal of nurturing the passion for learning and continuous development throughout life. The learning material can cover various topics and concepts ranging from academic subjects like mathematics, science, and language to practical skill like art, music, and sport. The goal is to make learning more engaging, easily understandable, and relevant to students. Fun learning is an approach to education that emphasizes creating an enjoyable and engaging environment for learners. It recognizes that learning can and should be a pleasurable experience. Here are some key points about fun learning. 1 is effectiveness. 2. Positive influence like humor, work environment, and positive emotion. 3. Neurological impact or fun experience release. 4. Application. In summary, fun learning recognizes that enjoyment and engagement are essential for effective learning. So, let's make learning an exciting adventure. Point 2. Who will be involved in the process of providing fun learning? Several key participants play essential role. The involved student as the main subject, but also include the role of teacher as creative learning facilitator, parent as supporter, and perhaps even the local community or expert in specific fields who can provide additional insight. Educators and teachers are the forefront of fun learning. They design engaging activities, create interactive content, and facilitate learning experience that captive learner. Learner actively participate in the fun learning process. Their curiosity, willingness to explore, and openness to new experience drive engagement. And then parent and guardian. Parents play a crucial role in fostering a positive attitude toward learning. They can engage children in educational games, storytelling, and creative activities. And the last one, peers and collaborator. Collaborative learning with peers adds an element of fun, group activities, discussion, and teamwork. Create a supportive and enjoyable environment. Remember, fun learning is a collective effort, and when everyone actively participates, the journey becomes more encouraging. Next, Angan.
Yes. And point 3, where is the suitable location to implement for learning? For example, in school, creative and flexible classrooms can be ideal place, and at home, a comfortable environment open the exploration can be suitable. Where is the suitable location to implement fun learning? The location can vary depending on the context and learning materials. In school, creative and flexible classroom can be ideal place outside the classroom. Museum, parks, or local tourist spots can be source of inspirations at home. A comfortable environment open to experimentations and exploration can be suitable. Next point, when is the appropriate time to implement fun learning? Fun learning can occur in the classroom as part of the regular curriculum. One, classroom as extracurricular. Two, during holiday or special event. Three, at home as a part of informal educations. The appropriate time to implement fun learning varies depending on the context and the desired learning outcomes. Fun learning can take place one in the classroom. As part of the regular curriculum, fun learning activities can be integrated into daily lesson to enhance engagement and understanding for academic subjects outside the classroom. Thoughts, extracurricular activities, or independent projects, students can explore topics of interest in a fun and interactive way, promoting self-directed learning and creativity. During holiday or special event, school can organize fun learning activities during holiday or special event to keep students engaged and excited about learning, even outside of traditional classroom settings. And at home, fun learning can also be incorporated into informal education and at home, where parents and caregivers can engage children in educational games, experience, or creative projects to supplement their formal learning experience. Overall, fun learning can be implemented flexibly across various settings to make the learning process more enjoyable, meaningful, and active for students. Okay, thank you. Next, Rizky Ramadhani.
Okay, thank you. Why is it important to use fun learning approaches? Point one can increase student engagement. When learning is enjoyable and interactive, students are more likely to actively participate in the learning process. This engagement helps to maintain their focus and interest in the subject matter. Point two, enhance their understanding of the taught material. Fun learning approach encourage deeper understanding of the material through hands-on activities, games, and interactive exercise. Students are more likely to grasp complex concepts and retain information over the long term. Point three, motivate them to learn. Fun learning activities often tap into student natural curiosity and sense of enjoyment. When they find learning enjoyable, they are more motivated to explore new concepts, ask questions, and seek out knowledge independently. And next, how is the best way to implement fun learning? There are various ways to implement fun learning, ranging from using games, experiment, and collaborative projects to utilizing technology, multimedia, and narrative storytelling. It is important to choose an approach that suits the needs and interests of students and to ensure that fun learning remains connected to broader learning goals. Okay, thank you. Next, Rahma.
Okay, for the conclusion, providing fun learning is essential for engaging students, fostering motivation, and deepening understanding. By incorporating enjoyable activities that align with learning objective, educator can create an encouraging educational experience that empowers students to success. Tips and tricks for finding a fun way to study can be concludes from the explanation above, namely finding a place and way to study that doesn't make you stressed. Don't forget to adjust the time so we don't get bored quickly. Okay, that's all from us. We apologize if there are wrong word or action. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.